Fresh tomato and basil spaghetti with burrata cheese. Very delicious and very easy to make. For this dish, we need fresh ingredients, so let's go and get them. Look how beautiful this tomato is. This is perfect for our pasta. Now fresh basil. Beautiful. Now all we need is burrata cheese. Found it. Nice. Now I got all the ingredients. Let's go home and cook. To peel out the tomato, first cut out its head. Put the tomato in boiling water 5 to 7 seconds. Take out and put in the ice cold water. Remove the seeds using teaspoon. In frying pan, put oil and butter. Cook the basil until the fragrance comes out. Add the fresh chopped tomatoes. Add some pasta water. Cook until the tomatoes get really soft. Add the cooked pasta. Add olive oil. Give it a nice mix and toss. Add pasta water to add taste and sauce. Add salt, pepper, and fresh basil on top. Touch of olive oil, done.